Hello, it's Mike. I'm going to show you how to edit your homepage on SharePoint when you've created a site. So this is a new site that I've created, and if you look in the top right corner there is the edit button. So if you select that, this loads up your edit page. Now to add things in, click the plus sign and it gives you many options to add in. So we will add a YouTube video. So add the link, and there we go, it's added the video. And then to publish that, just click republish, and you'll see that has now appeared on the SharePoint home site. So when you load this site up, this page up, you'll be greeted with the video. So other things that you can add in, so let's click the plus. Image gallery, add images, insert. Now you've got options here. If you want to have it as a grid or a brick, or if you want to have the option to scroll through, then it's carousel. Other options, you can add a chart in, so let's go for quick chart. You can change the chart type, and you just add your data as needed. Click add to add another column. And then just republish it when you're ready. You'll see all this information that you've added appears on the home page, and you can scroll through the images if needed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.